There's a lot of different 3D printing technologies out there, but what makes us different is we're able to offer carbon fiber and also full color prints. This is a sample of the MarkForged technology. It is the nylon 6 with chopped carbon fiber, so it makes it about 3 times stronger as a base plastic than your average traditional plastics. The HP 300-500 series prints in full color. My name is Diana and I'm here with Interpro. We sell 3D printing systems and services. We have different processes that offer different types of material properties. We offer SLA as our primary business, but we've also brought on the HP Multi-Jet Fusion that prints in nylon 12. And we also have a nylon with reinforced chopped carbon fiber by MarkForged. So right over here we have the HP Multi-Jet Fusion. They've just now released the 300 and 500 series. It's in full color. And right now they have out in the market the 4200, which is a production machine, where the 300-500 is more of a prototype machine. We also offer the MarkForged line of 3D printers. It is a nylon 6 based material with a chopped carbon fiber, making it about 3 times stronger than your traditional ABS. So when you're in your testing and you're trying to get your part from design to final manufacture, you're able to get further in your design cycle through this, using this technology. The other part that makes this technology unique is you can add a continuous strand of fiber within this already strong plastic, giving you the strength of aluminum for the cost of plastic. You could use it for prototyping, end-of-arm tooling, jigs, tools, and fixtures, end-use products, depending on what the part is and what the application is. It's more or less robust. The nylon base makes it extremely chemical resistant as well. So here we have some heat set inserts. I think a really good example through a design cycle would be these 3 parts here. This is from an actual customer who worked their design within 24 hours using this system. So here's a good example of, it's a see-through part, so you can see how the fiber is laid within. There's no other technology out there that allows for a continuous strand of fiber to be put around the part. So what you're looking at right now is fiberglass reinforcement into a nylon part. So if you look at it, it's not going to move. 3D printing systems and services. So I feel like that's a complicated sentence, but we sell 3D printers, and for those customers who can't afford it, they come to us for services. If you send us over your file, we have a whole team of experts that can take a look at your geometry. You tell us what your callouts are, we can get you the best part for your application. If you decide that that's just out of the realm right now and you actually want to be able to print these parts yourself, you can come to us to buy a system. This is the HP Multi-Jet Fusion here. Nylon 12. What's unique about this technology is it's a powder-based bed, so you can actually build complex geometries with almost minimal effort and minimal cleaning. Since it's powder, the powder just falls out of any open voids and you don't have any support material. This is not a machined part. It is an appearance model. It's plastic with a look like, feel like paint on it to make it look like metal to replicate the end product. At our shop we have expert model makers that can make anything that you are really looking to look like, feel like. So right over here we also have what may appear to you as your typical mouse, but again another call out and a appearance model where the customer asks for specific colors, but as you can tell it's just a fake model. You know, people come in, they ask for these parts, they put them on the table for marketing. Yes, it looks great. All right, time to move into production. This is just another beautiful model made by our team. It is made in SLA and then just clear coated. So this is a manifold that we printed. We have it in all different types of technologies here to showcase how they compare. What you're looking at here is our 11122. It is printed in SLA on our ultra high resolution nano. It is our own SLA machine that we actually gutted and put in our own components so it can print in high res and low res in the same build. If we take a look at this one here, it's also the HP, but it's been plated. So for customers who are looking for metal parts that feel like metal and look like metal, this is the opportunity that you have. So it was coated in copper and then coated in nickel afterwards. We do leasing programs for both MarkForged and HP.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.